This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Two SCM Frigo 60 kilowatt CO, two booster packs installed in jam maker Wilkin and Sons Essex factory. By J.O. Haroldson. Published July 22, 2025. In its Essex factory, English jam producer Wilkin and Sons has replaced four HFC-based low-temperature LT 30 kilowatt 8.5-ton refrigeration screw packs with two 60 kilowatt 17.1-ton refrigeration CO2 booster packs produced by Italian manufacturer SCM Frigo. The company, best known for its Tiptree range of fruit preserves, has produced jam and marmalade since 1885. SCM Frigo is part of the Beijer Ref Group. Fridge Hub, operated by Beijer Ref UK and Ireland, designed the CO2 system, supplied the equipment, and provided training to the local contractor, Adcock Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. We firmly believe that this project represents a model for successful refrigeration system upgrades, said Michal Vikaszek, head of Fridge Hub, in the ACR Journal. The innovative approach to design, technology selection, and collaborative support sets a new benchmark within the industry. The project, the aged HFC equipment set at the jam makers required minus 31 degrees Celsius, minus 23.8 degrees Fahrenheit SST, persistently leaked. A glycol-based system temporarily solved the jam maker's freezer reliability issues. The limited installation space and the large LT load ultimately led the designers to a CO2 solution installed outdoors, which will also support the high-temperature HT tempering facility planned in the second phase of the project. Ammonia HFO and A2L systems, though considered, were rejected for various reasons, including initial cost, operating cost, sustainability, and flammability, according to the ACR Journal. Two Guntner 30 kilowatt evaporators support each of the SCM Frigo 60 kilowatt CO2 booster packs. Each SCM Frigo unit supplies 28 to 100% of the required cooling capacity, allowing the site to manage future LT loads. Multiple use. The initial efficiency estimate of the CO2 system is 5% higher than that of a traditional synthetic system. However, the design integrated a glycol plate heat exchanger for future tempering rooms, which supports long-term efficiency gains. An onboard gas cooler in the CO2 pack rejects heat with the LT compressors feeding the HT compressors and inverters on the lead compressor of both temperature sets. Based on the stage of jam making, tempering rooms require temperatures ranging from 35 to 85 degrees Celsius, 95 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Learning the ropes, in its first CO2 project, Adcock installed Wilkin and Sons' new refrigeration system with help from the Beijer Ref UK and Ireland teams. Adcock engineers participated in CO2 training at the Beijer Ref Academy in Wetherby, England. The Fridge Hub team gave us the confidence to proceed with the project, and the technical support from SCM in the UK provided crucial backup, said Paul Parfit, director at Adcock. Other SCM Frigo news. The manufacturer continues to invest in large-scale CO2 equipment with two recent installations, one in France and one in Ecuador. The company delivered a 1.5 megawatt, 426.5 tons refrigeration, plug-and-play CO2 transcritical rack system, providing 6 degrees Celsius, 42.8 degrees Fahrenheit, cooling to a cosmetics and pharmaceutical company. The system includes 1 megawatt, 284 tons of refrigeration, of heat recovery for space heating and hot water production. An integrated 6 megawatt, 1,700 tons refrigeration, transcritical CO2 refrigeration system in a shrimp processing warehouse supplies temperatures for multiple applications. These include freezing at minus 45 to minus 42 degrees Celsius, minus 49 to minus 44 degrees Fahrenheit, LT at minus 32 to minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 26 to minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit, medium temperature at minus 5 to minus 3 degrees Celsius, 23/27 of a degree Fahrenheit, a 1 degree Celsius, 34 degrees Fahrenheit, glycol brine and facility HVAC heating and cooling.